Yeah, good morning, guys. So today the topic is all about decision tree. So the first thing is ये होता क्या है? In the name itself, can you find out the definition decision tree? What do you mean by this two term? बताओ क्या होता है decision tree? So guys, I can say one thing. Decision tree is very simple, है ना? So decision tree is nothing but it is the term or it is a method or it is a process to say that to find out the outcomes in between टू आउटपुट्स जैसे मान लो हमारे पास दो आउटपुट है राइट इफ सपोज माय मशीन वाज माय मशीन वांट टू प्रेडिक्ट द outcomes in between two data so that will done by the decision tree right yes or no like आप मार्केट गए 5 स्टार लो या फिर डेयरी मिल्क लो you are you are getting the stuck key which one I need to choose है ना and that two you need to pick only one not like you can pick both you need to pick only one out of these two so what you will do so that time you will go with the decision tree which one is going to be suitable for you and that particular moment of a time है ना maybe 5 star is good for certain scenario dairy milk will also good for certain scenario yes हर एक चीज अपने अपने टाइम के लिए सही रहेगा गॉट इट सो लेट्स गो विद द डिसीजन ट्री इन द डेप्थ लिटिल बिट सो गाइस यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो हियर वी आर हैविंग द टर्म्स लाइक रूट नोड सो द फर्स्ट वन इज रूट नोड व्हाट डू मीन बाय रूट नोड जो पहला हमारा जो नोड रहता है नोड मीन्स व्हाट where we are getting the data right where we are getting the data first data is getting here ticket data then it is a branches that data is having the sub branches वो डेटा का दूसरे दूसरे ब्रांचेस लाएंगे लाइक द डेटा इज डिवाइडेड इनटू सब डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डेटास and we are going to predict the decision and we are going to get the leaf node is nothing but the final data ठीक है सो इसको और अच्छे से अपन समझेंगे गाइस सो कमिंग टू द टाइप ऑफ डिसीजन ट्री जो अपन पिछले क्लासेस में अपन ने कवर किया था क्लासिफिकेशंस एंड रिग्रेशंस नाउ कमिंग टू हियर हाउ इट विल वर्क्स पहले वो क्या करेगा वो एक डेटा सेट को स्टोर करेगा वो पहले इट विल गोइंग टू टेक द डेटा सेट इट विल गोइंग टू टेक द ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन देन इट विल गोइंग टू find out the best features find out the best features and it will going to split the data based on the features now find prediction ये चार चीज अभी आपको ये सब छोड़ दो you need to focus on these four terms whatever these four things are there you need to basically focus on this so चलो जाते हैं नोशन में so here you can see here first one is root node and that root node is divided into two different decision nodes every nodes are having their own leaf nodes some decision nodes are having their another decision nodes है ना तो इसका रिलेशन क्या है यहाँ पे डिसीजन नोड्स है यहाँ पे है बट दिस डिसीजन नोड्स इज हैविंग नो मोर डिसीजन नोड्स बट हियर दिस डिसीजन नोड्स इज हैविंग वन लीफ नोड एंड वन डिसीजन नोड इसका मतलब क्या है so that thing we will learn with the help of the practical example. Suppose there is a doctor, okay? There is a doctor. You met with a doctor and doctor given you the decision like you got a fever. Okay? So doctor given you certain decisions कि you got a fever. Fever आपको मिल गया? Yes. You have a not a fever. You have not a fever, right? So two terms are there. If you have a fever, this is a one certain type of decision, this is another certain type of a decision. अब यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? If you are having no fever, no need to any checkup, no need to eat any medicine. If you are having a fever, doctor is giving you two terms, paracetamol or dolo. So what you will do here, you got the stuck. What type of medicine is going to be sweet for you? Because as a paracetamol, this is also going to sweet for the suit for the fever, and this is also going to suit for the fever. So we have two terms like paracetamol and dolo, right? So where we are going to use the paracetamol? Every medicines are having their own age criteria. है ना पैरासीटामोल को अपन like we can say we are going to use for the teenagers dolo we are going to use for more than teenagers like if your age is 30 35 like that you can use got it guys so यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है डॉक्टर ने पहला आपको डिसीजन दे दिया you got a fever right yes you got a fever you have a not a fever if you are having no fever your decision is like don't take any medicines don't worry about it if you are having a fever your decision is like you need to take two terms. One is paracetamol, another one is stone. Which one is going to suitable? Based on the climate, based on the current scenario, you are going to pick one of them, right? So decision tree basically work करता है आपके numbers के लिए, like relations between two terms I can say, which is totally depends on regressions. ठीक है, और वो yes और no के बारे में बात करता है जो आपका आता है classification, classify कर रहा है which one is suitable in which in what type, like that. Okay, so चलो we will go with the another example जो आपका यहाँ पे था, this one, age. What it is saying that does the person is likes computer game. So हमारा task है does person like computer game. ठीक है, so age is less than 18. यहाँ पे आपका age आ रहा है bigger than 13, okay, greater than 18, and here age is less than 18. Now yes, no, more than 18 people can't like games, less than 18 people can like games, yes. और यहाँ पे भी क्राइटेरिया आ गया मेल और फीमेल, अगेन वी आर डूइंग सर्टेन क्राइटेरिया लाइक फीमेल. गॉट इट? देख रहे हो क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? सो वी आर हैविंग सर्टेन इज मेल, you know that, yes, no. If no, we know that these all data are related to female only. If male, 90 percentage males are there, so this 90 percentage students can play the game. Yes. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है ना, डिस्टेंस ट्री इज ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट सर्टेन डिस्टेंस. आपके पास दो ऑप्शन रहेगा, दोनों ऑप्शन आप पिक नहीं कर सकते, यू कांट पिक बोथ ऑप्शन, यू नीड टू पिक वन ऑफ देम. So here first thing, the age is less than 18. So afterwards what I got, if age is less than 18 you can play game, if age is not lesser than 18 you are unable to play the game. So if age is greater than 18, we know that you all are comes under like uncle auntie age. Now coming to the, if your age is less than 18, you can easily play the games. If there is also one more criteria I put, the criteria is if the person is male, that time you can play the game. Guys, आपको कंडीशन इसके ऊपर फोकस करेगा. इफ योर कंडीशन इज गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन दिस इज मेल, दिस इज द डिसीजन, बेस्ड ऑन दिस डिसीजन only you are going to predict your output. Okay, समझ गए? Whenever you are going to see the conditions or any decisions in the cloud form, then you are going to say कि based on that only you are going to predict the output. Here my first decision is age is less than 15. Second one is male. There is no decision was taken here. There was a decision taken directly here, is male, right? Like that you need to understand about the decision tree. So basically decision tree we are going to use in our machine learning algorithms enough to find out the relations between the data or outcomes, or also I can say it will going to use useful between the combination between the two different terms, right? Regression है ना, लीनियर रिग्रेशन में भी हम लोग ने ग्राफिकल बनाया था, एंड कमिंग टू द लॉजिस्टिक रिग्रेशन इज आल्सो लुक लाइक सम कर्व शेप. सो एवरीथिंग इज बेस्ड ऑन सम डिसीजन इज हैपनिंग देयर. Classification is also the same thing. I took the input data as like cat and dog, but coming to the testing data, if I was choosing tiger, so my machine is predicting tiger is not a tiger, tiger is a cat, because the cat and tiger belongs to same family. And second thing, machine is having no data related or regarding to the tiger. Machine is having the data related to the cat. So machine is simply saying that this is a cat, this is not the tiger. So वहाँ पे भी machine एक distance को predict कर रहा है, right? In the form of outcomes. So guys, this is all about the distance tree. So I hope you all are understanding this channel. So please keep watching, है ना, और शेयर करो, लाइक करो, कमेंट करो जितना हो सके उतना. थैंक यू गाइस.